Want to take your manufacturing process to the next level? Let's talk about integrating AI into Odoo for smart manufacturing, where automation meets intelligence. Traditional manufacturing relies heavily on human decision-making, which can lead to delays, downtime, and inefficiencies. But with AI, we can unlock predictive maintenance, real-time quality control, and smart scheduling, all within your Odoo ERP system. Odoo is already a powerful ERP. Now imagine embedding AI to make it smarter. Here's how. Predictive inventory. Use AI to forecast demand and automate stock replenishment. Predictive maintenance. Machine learning models can analyze sensor data to prevent unexpected breakdowns. Quality control. AI-driven vision systems catch defects in real time, feeding data directly into Odoo's manufacturing module. Smart scheduling. AI optimizes work orders and shifts based on resource availability and delivery deadlines. You can integrate AI into Odoo using Python scripts with Odoo's API, Odoo Studio for no-code logic, external AI services like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or even ChatGPT for decision support. These tools connect seamlessly with Odoo's backend using REST APIs or RPC calls. Companies using AI in Odoo report faster production cycles, reduced waste, and better ROI. It's not just smart, it's strategic. Ready to transform your manufacturing with AI in Odoo? Let's build the future together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on ERP, AI, and digital transformation. Got questions or want a tutorial? Drop them in the comments below.